Welcome to the Thomas and Friends DVD experience.
Welcome to the Island of Sodor. I'm Sir Topham Hatt, and this is Thomas. We'll be your tour guides as you join Percy, James, Harold, and the rest of your Sodor friends for the exciting adventures of Thomas and Friends Get Along. Thomas is getting ready to visit some of his favorite places on the island, so get your tickets and hop on board for non-stop excitement. Here we go!
Hi, I'm Thomas, and you just visited some of my favorite friends. Each day brings lots of excitement and adventure, and there are so many fun places to explore and see. So make sure to visit the Story Stop Station, the Character Gallery, Sing-Along Depot, and Web Fun. Have a great time!
Gallant Old Engine
Features 6 different stories for you to enjoy. Select a story by using the direction buttons on your controller. Press the Enter button when you want to view the adventure. Thomas and his friends love to listen to music on the Island of Sodor. The engines would like to share their favorite tune, the
Really useful engine.
with you. Press Enter and sing along with them. Welcome to the Character Gallery. Thomas has many friends on the Island of Sodor. Visit them all by pressing the direction button on your controller. Gordon is the senior member of the engine family. Thomas can be described as a cheeky Percy is the junior member of the Prince. James is a medium. Henry is a long, fast engine. If you'd like to visit the official Thomas and Friends website, please insert this DVD into your personal computer DVD-ROM drive. You may need a grown-up to help you. ThomasTheTankEngine.com is loaded with exciting features and news about all of your Island of Sodor friends. There are lots of activities and fun games to play. You can also find out about Thomas events and visit my office. Have fun!